Hi, I'm Charlie from Quilt Direct, and I'd like to introduce you to Bernina's latest editions. The 3 series has now been updated in a very stylish finish, which we expect to appeal to many different people. Whether you're looking for a machine to take on the go, or to use in a non-dedicated sewing space, or perhaps you're just starting your journey with sewing. These machines are small, compact and light, yet still have all the functionality that we love of Bernina's. Using the traditional CB system, these machines have now been updated with some great new functions, including the LED lights and also the touch screen, meaning you can navigate this machine the same way as many of our current other models. Thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed learning about these lovely new machines. If you'd like to know anything else, please feel free to give me a call or one of my colleagues, or email. We can also arrange Zoom calls if you would like to do that. We have the full range of Bernina machines in our lovely airy studio, so we would love to welcome you there too.